Morning guys, guess what? I have bought the cheapest Focus in the UK, I reckon, easily. Here it is. I had to remove the bumper to put the A-frame on to tow it. So I've got the bumper, the grille, everything. I just haven't fitted it yet. Reconned alloys. Needs a bit of a polish at the moment. It's the ST3. It's just got a little bit of curbing on that side. What do you think of this thing, guys? Always wanted one of these because these are obviously going up and up and up in value. There's a mark on this car. In fact, I'll show you the mark on this car. Okay, there's not a single scratch, mark, nothing. The only bit that I can see so far on this car is this. That is it. There's literally nothing else. There's no rust, there's no nothing. Just a couple of little chips. Well, I've got a key. Don't know if the battery's dead because it's been sitting. But check out that interior. It is immaculate. It smells nice and fresh. So guys, what do you think I paid for this car? It's got no MOT. It's done 112,000. It's got pretty much full service history. Only 2 owners. It's got. Right, should we start this up? Listen to the cold start. It's obviously bog standard, so this literally makes no noise to this car. It's so quiet. Right, I will tell you later on why this is cheap, because obviously it's got no MOT, but there's more to it. But in a way, I'm thinking it's quite good, because what it means is no Tom and Dick and Harry can actually steal the car, because there's quite a major fault on this. Let's start it. I bet the battery's dead. The battery's not dead. However, it don't want to start. So that's one of the clues. So bloody quiet. Spare wheel. And the issue is, can't get this MOT'd because it needs a new rear. It needs a new inner CV boot because it's split. But this is the issue. See that? Little scumbag there. It's completely effed, and the locking wheel nut will not undo it. Tried welding it, won't work. So I think I'm gonna have to drill it out. I've got a new locking wheel nut now. Should be arriving next week, so I can get all the other wheels off and it's all safe. Yeah, it's pretty annoying to be honest. I can't get this one out because obviously this is so deep in, you can't even get a blade in it to cut it. So anyone know of any other ideas that I could use? I might try and weld the outside ring to the other bit, but I don't know if that's going to be strong enough. Right, anyway, don't think the bonnet's open right now. No, it's not. This has literally been completely unmodified, which is obviously what you want. I've got all the gear oil and everything, and the new CV boot, so that'll be all getting done. These, I'll get new ones. What else can there be? Yeah, it's a bloody lovely car, look. It's lovely, well looked after. It's got the Recaros, because obviously this is the ST3. So how much do you guys think I paid for this, if I'm saying it's the cheapest one in the UK? Or the Scooby? Put your votes, because I don't know whether I should have this one or this one. Place your bets on the comments and let me know what you think, how much I paid for it. Thought I'd give you an update anyway, guys, of what I've just bought. Now I'm not sure whether to keep this one or to sell it, because these are just going to keep them going up and up, especially in this grey. I know obviously you have the bright chavvy orange one, yeah, which is the main colour, but I like this colour. I think the black's boring. It's got the xenon lights. It's got a splitter, but last owner cracked it a little bit, so I might just spray it out or just take it off and just leave it original. Not too sure really what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, speak to you soon, guys. See you later.